All right, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Justmoparjoe. Been doing a little body work on the 65 Coronet. I got videos coming for that. But I kind of got inspired for just a second. And I wanted to show you this secret spot on most Mopars that a lot of people don't know about. Until they go to restore or paint or do whatever they're going to the car, they don't normally look for this area. And they'll paint it and do whatever, and years go by. Let me just show you. So if you recall, I did go ahead and get this front cap primed last week. I'm working on these doors now, but that secret spot I was telling you about, even on this car that was somebody's grandma's really nice car that they took care of a long time, got a couple bolts for you. That one holds a fender there, and this is actually used to be a stud and nut. Holds a spacer. Some cars had different spacers, and it went right there like that. But even this car being so nice, when I undid that, I wanted to show you. You can see a little bit of that in the floor. Look at it. That's really not bad from what I've seen before. Most of the time they're packed full of leaves and pine needles and funk. I'm going to probably just stick my block of wood in here and blow it out. See how much of that crap I can get out of there. But especially while you're painting or doing something else, that's what I noticed when I was laying down. I laid down to sand that rocker out, and I came by with my blow gun and just blew a little bit. Dust and funk started falling out to the point of like, man, if you didn't clean this out and you just went to paint the car real quickly, dirt would blow out of there and stick in the paint. I mean, there's no way of stopping it. But let me get you set up. I'm gonna see what we can blow out of here. I don't want to take up too much time, but if you haven't cleaned that out in your car, you probably should. There's also a lot of times it'll have that rubber flap there, or plastic, whatever it is. You can take it all the way out, really access that stuff. Let's see what falls out of here. I'll give you another closer look into here. That area is really bad about rotting out. My white Challenger, that was pretty much destroyed, and I had to totally rebuild it. But yeah, if you ever buy a new car or want to check yours out, pop those couple bolts out and look through there. You can even see this has still got some original seam sealer on it that's starting to peel and crack. Pretty funky in there. Let me see what comes out. Really not too bad. Got a lot of that mess out, so now when I go to paint the car, it doesn't actually blow into the clear coat and whatever. I'm gonna take a little brush. I'll be able to get through there and not actually have to pull the fender off. I know a lot of people in different applications or whatever would paint their fenders separately or do whatever, but just wanted to show y'all that. And as always, I appreciate y'all watching. Making some good progress on the Coronet. It's going to be painted up before you know it. So